Salut, c'est John. Aujourd'hui, je vous présente une nouvelle démonstration de peinture abstraite. Je vous rappelle, je réponds à vos questions à la fin de cette vidéo en français et en anglais. Today, I am going to present you with a new abstract painting demonstration. I hope you enjoy it. Oh, and I would like to remind you that I will be answering your previous questions and responding to your previous comments at the end of this video in French and also in English. Now, let's move on to the painting demonstration video. Okay, now it's time for questions and answers. Before we begin, I would like to quickly remind you that I will be answering your questions in French and English, so I recommend activating the subtitles so you will not miss anything. Okay, top commentary for this week. Sonodrome wrote, I really appreciate you taking the time to learn English, so you can share your work and practice. I love watching you paint and I look forward to hearing more about your process and ideas. Thank you. Thank you very much. I received a lot of congratulations and encouragement. This makes me very happy and it's very motivating for me. Okay, Annette Reynolds asked, I would love to know what brand of paint he uses. They're so vivid. I mainly use paint from the Liquitex and Amsterdam study ranges. I use study ranges because I go through a lot of paint. But very often I use heavy body paints, in which case I really like golden paints. Their quality is excellent. Sometimes I mix them together, study quality paints for the background and heavy body paints for the foreground. It really depends on what I am going to paint. But it is not the quality of the paint that is the most important. It is the way it is used, the shades, the color association, the contrast, etc. It is all of these things combined that make the colors beautiful. Ok, Donovan me demande, hey John, tu utilises quoi à 3 minutes 06 pour faire ces effets? Ça rend super. Salut Donovan, c'est un outil en silicone qu'on appelle Catalyst. Je vous rappelle que vous avez un lien dans la description avec la liste de tout mon matériel ou presque. Cette liste n'est que en français pour le moment. JV Colantes wrote, can you please make a video that describes all of your painting materials? I've already made a video where I show you around my entire studio. I will include a link in this video in the card here if you would like to watch it. Otherwise, there is also my 3D video which shows all of this in detail and much more. You just have to pay the shipping cost to get it. There is a link in the description below. Antonelle me demande, tu pourrais refaire du pop art s'il te plaît John, super vidéo. Oui, c'est prévu et vraiment pour bientôt. Si vous avez remarqué, j'ai déplacé mon plan de travail et j'ai créé un nouvel espace pour faire des peintures plus pop art et street art. J'ai dû racheter beaucoup de matériel vidéo et éclairage. Je pense que je créerai aussi une formation sur ces styles de peinture car j'adore ça et je pense que je peux faire vraiment des choses très intéressantes et vous transmettre beaucoup. Alors, encore un peu de patience, tout est presque prêt. Thank you for watching. Please smash the like button to support me and don't forget to subscribe. And before leaving you, I would like to give you the opportunity to join my free newsletter when you can receive all of my new YouTube videos, tips on painting and the artistic life, all directly in your inbox. You can find the link in the description. Avant de vous quitter, j'aimerais vous donner l'opportunité de vous inscrire à ma newsletter gratuite où vous pouvez recevoir toutes mes nouvelles vidéos YouTube, des conseils sur la peinture et la vie artistique, le tout directement dans votre boîte de réception. Vous trouverez un lien dans la description. See you soon!